Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Phone Stop. Today, we've got an exciting topic to dive into, the iPhone 8. Yes, you heard it right, the iPhone 8 in 2023. In this video, we're going to explore why the iPhone 8 is still a fantastic budget-friendly option. So let's jump right in. Released in September 2017, the iPhone 8 may not be the latest and greatest, but it's far from outdated. It boasts a sleek and timeless design with its glass front and back and a series of attractive color options. Under the hood, the iPhone 8 is powered by the Apple A11 Bionic chip. This means you'll still experience snappy performance, smooth multitasking, and efficient energy management. The best part? It's still receiving iOS updates, keeping it up to date with the latest features and security patches. When it comes to the camera, the iPhone 8 may surprise you. Its 12-megapixel main camera and 7-megapixel front-facing camera deliver crisp photos and videos. To give you a taste of its capabilities, here are some shots taken with the iPhone 8. The iPhone 8 features a 4.7-inch Retina HD display with a resolution of 750 x 1334 pixels. While it may not be as large as some newer smartphones, its compact form factor has its charm, making it a great option for those who prefer smaller, more manageable devices. Now let's talk about battery life. The iPhone 8's battery can easily get you through a day of typical use. It's optimized for efficiency, and you can make it last even longer with some battery-saving tips. One of the standout features of the iPhone 8 is its budget-friendly pricing. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Phone Stop for more tech-related content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.